steaming golden, laced with coconut and lime. This is Moqueca de Camarão. It's a celebration of sea, the land, and the people. Moqueca de Camarão didn't come from one culture. It came from coastline and a collision. Long before colonizers arrived, Brazil's indigenous tribes were already cooking seafood, shrimp, fish, crab, gathered fresh from the Atlantic. They slow simmered it in clay pots with wild peppers, coriander, and roots. That was the first moqueca, simple, soulful, and tied to the land. Then came the Portuguese in the 1500s. After they have reached India, after they have circled Africa, they brought garlic, onion, and limes. Ingredients traded across continents, but with them came something far more powerful, the forced migration of West Africans. From Angola and Congo came palm oil and the richness of coconut milk. In Bahia, those African flavors met native technique and European influence. And in that fusion, moqueca became something new. Shrimp became the star, bold spices layered with creamy coconut. Palm oil gave the depth, the coast gave it freshness, and the people added soul to the dish. Now that you know the story, it's time to bring it to life. Join me in part 2, where we step into the kitchen and cook this coastal treasure from scratch. Layer by layer, flame by flame, and you don't want to miss the magic.